It's a Batman beat.
Shabon every night,
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be installing the Shake and Go organic hair. This is organic hair. This is the 1-pack solution, and this is in the body wave 3 pieces. I have it in 18, 20, and 22. It says 1 pack does it all guarantee, and I paid $20.99. This is the organic Mastermix. So this is what the hair looks like. Okay, and this is in a body wave kind of texture. Okay, and it's from Shake and Go. So if you want to go longer, you can, but I think my taste will be right there for now. Okay, so it's 3 bundles in here. So this is the 18, this is the 20, and this is the 22. So basically I'm going to install the 22 first, and then the 20, and then the 18. Okay, so as you can see, I already braided my hair. I'm going to be using weave net to sew around my perimeter right here, the edge of my hair. I'm not going to sew the whole entire net on my head. I'm just going to sew it from here to here so that it can be tight on my head. So this is what the net looks like, and this is $1.99 at my local beauty supply store. So the net comes like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to position the net like this, and I'm going to start to sew, and I will cut it to where I wanted it to stop. I'm going to start to sew the net. The reason for me to sew the net, because my hair is really thin, and I want all the 3 bundles to go on my head. So when you put the net, it gives you more space for you to add the bundles. So that is the reason why I'm adding the nets on my head, to give it more volume. Okay guys, so I have finished sewing the net, and this is how it looks. So now I'm gonna cut it up. So just be careful guys when you're doing this, so you don't cut your own hair. Make sure you don't go too close to the thread so it doesn't unravel. Don't worry about these because they're always going to be concealed. Okay guys, so I'm installing the 22 inch bundle of hair right now, and I'm gonna double the tracks because the tracks are really thin. So I'm starting now with the 22 bundle, then I will start off with the 20 and then end up with the 18. And I'm also going to be doing the flip over method. I'm not cutting no tracks or anything like that. So I haven't seen any shedding yet of this hair. I'm not sure because I didn't cut the hair yet, which I have no plans to, but maybe when I get to the front of my head, I will have to cut it for the closure. But for right now, I'm gonna be doing the 20, and then when I get 22, I mean, when I get to the next one, so now I'm just gonna, it's hard to do your own hair and then recording it at the same time, so yeah, it's a pain in the behind. Hey guys, so I finished with the 22 bundle. This is what it looks like, and I try to put them as close as possible because the tracks are so thin. As you can see, one bundle did a whole bunch, you know. So yeah, this is how one bundle is looking. So now I'm going to be doing the 22 bundle. And this is what the 22 looks like. Again, like I said, I'm going to be doubling the tracks to give me more volume because the tracks are really thin, and plus my hair is not as much, so I need it to be full to give me that volume city, if that's a word, yeah, to give me that volume instead of flat. Okay, so make sure you secure the ends really tight before you keep on sewing, because if not, they won't stay long. So yeah. Okay. Because I'm gonna try to use all the bundles so they will look full on my head. It's been a while since I have a sewing on my head, so I'm always having crochet hair or my natural hair, or I'm wearing a wig. So yeah. Okay guys, so I finished the 20-inch now. So now I'm getting to the 18-inch. And these two braids that are left right here is for the closure. I'm just going to be laying now the 18-inch down like this on the side like this, so everything will fall down. So yeah, so this is the 18-inch hair right here. And this is what the hair is looking like so far after 2 bundles. I'm loving it so far. This hair is very, very thin, but at the same time it's full. It gives you more volume when you double it. But then if you wanted to do like a ponytail or something, it's really thin. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, the best thing to do is just to leave it down and give you that full body look, wavy kind of look. But I wouldn't advise you to put it like on a bun or whatsoever. But if you do want to, you can. So okay guys, so now that I've finished the 18-inch pack of the hair, and I only have this spot left right here to close up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the hair and try to make a closure out of it. Actually, this is my first time doing it, so I'm just going to try and error and see if it works. Fine. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the hair, I'm going to fold it like in half like this. I'm going to measure where the part ends, and then I'm going to double up for this side as well. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to double it up like that. Okay, and then I'm going to sew here and try to make a closure out of it. So this is the closure, DIY closure. Hopefully it will work. So yeah, so I'm gonna close up and then I'm gonna use a flat iron to flat iron the closure so it will look flat. I'm gonna go over it again. I think I did it sloppy, so trying to make it a little bit neater so you don't see the thread. This is how the closure look. Okay, as you can see right here, I missed one of the smaller pieces while I was sewing it. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna try to fix it while I'm sewing it on my head, because I don't feel like taking the whole thing back off again and redo them. Or that is probably what I have to do. Yeah, so that is how the closure looks. Let me see if it works. Put my head like this. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be sewing the closure now onto these two braids that are left. So trying to attach it. It's not the best closure, but it will do for the job. So I'm gonna be sewing the closure on both sides of the braid to hold it, basically. Hey guys, so this is the final look after I sewed the closure on my head on both sides. So this is the final result that I got. I think I did an excellent job. So I still have some hair left. This pack is truly one pack, you know, bundle is enough. It's truly, because I actually went and did my size. I added some hair there, and I still have some hair left, you know. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. What you think about this hair. I'm loving it so far. You will see pictures of this hair, and yeah, let me show you how it looks in the back. Okay, and this is how it looks. So yes guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.